Okay. Sir, are you there, sir? Sir?
Yes, very much.
Yes. So I request Zainab to start the session. Okay, sir, we'll just introduce you and then we'll go ahead with the session. Yes, Zainab, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Can I start? Excuse me, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible and you can go ahead.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Always believe more than expected is the vision of ESAL VSIT. Good afternoon, one and all present here. My name is Zainab Kachwala and I'm the president of ESAL VSIT. And I aptly take the opportunity to welcome you all for our event, Online Impact Lecture Series 2021. Today, with us for our first lecture impact series, we have Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Let me
Can you hear me?
introduce you.
I am audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible. Yes,
Yeah.
sir, you're audible.
Great.
Let me introduce you all to Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. He is also known as the Postcard Man of India. He is taking an initiative by changing the rural part of India, empowering the rural part of India with the help of the postcard. He is the founder of Rural Relations. He believes in connecting plus interacting plus building relationships. He will give us some insights and share his knowledge on innovation and incubation ecosystem. Thank you so much. Sir, you can start. You can take it forward.
Thank you so much. But thank you so much, everybody. Good afternoon. And we'll keep it as I mentioned earlier, we'll keep it interactive. 10-15 minutes I'm going to tell you, and then it will be an interactive session. Why? I'll tell you. Because I'm not talking to you because I'm academically strong. I'm academically zero. But I'm talking to you because I have seen more than 7,000 villages of the country. And India stays in villages. Please mind it. I'm talking to you because we have worked in 67,000 villages of the country. I'm talking to you because you name any big brand of the country, either we have worked with them or we are working with them, any big brand of the world. I'm talking to you because, as he has mentioned very correctly, I'm a postcard man. I'll not go by that much, but we have received more than 8.5 lakh letters from the villages. And I'm talking to you because, yes, I am a social entrepreneur. Every working day, we are opening 3 libraries in a school in rural India. Every working day, every. And the last and very important is, we are creating the encyclopedia of rural India called Village Wiki. And one thing I don't like, if you want to join, don't left in between because it is insulting. We are not here to make money. We are not here to make our business pitch. I'm not going to talk to anything about my business or a business pitch. So my humble request to all of you is, please don't do that. And if you want to do it right away. If there are only one person, I will speak the same. And if there is 1 lakh, I'll speak the same. My humble request to everybody. So I'm going to share my experience with you. It is not a lecture series. And online impact is very difficult. That's what I think. Because online is it's in thing, I know that, but personal touch pays. Now, how many WhatsApp you receive every day and how many you actually address? See that online impact. How many mails you receive every day and how many you address effectively. So yeah, hey, impact. There is a problem on online impact, but I'll try and share my experience with you. let me tell you one thing very, very clearly. The problem of a word innovation, what has happened in this world actually, innovation means it is not my baby, is the first thing we think. Innovation means something fantastic. It is not like that, friend. It is not like that. There are a lot of small innovation can give you a satisfaction, a good money, name, fame, everything. And whatever you do it in life, if you are working with an organization, if you want to work with an organization, if you want to be a CEO of the organization, if you want to be an entrepreneur of the organization, anything. So innovation means, I'll give you one example. And probably you'll think, what is this? This is not an innovation. We are a 21st generation kids. But listen, this innovation, we have done it in 1996. What we have done, if you want to do a business, you have to have three things. One, good money, good qualification, and a family background. So I was not having anything, but I want to do a business. So what I've done is, we have created one concept. Now I'm talking about concept. That time I was not even capable to speak just one sentence in Hindi and English, because I've come from a small village of Maharashtra, no educational background, and I want to do something fantastic with the life. So I thought that no need to go to all the villages of the country, go to the villages having population about 2000 and where weekly bazaar takes place. That was our first innovation. Now, as you all know, friends, we have 6 lakh odd villages. It is next to impossible to go to all these villages. So what platform we have given? Go to the villages which are important villages, which are key villages, which are feeder villages. And if you are strong there, you are strong in most of the villages. That was an innovation. And then we have started collecting data. So it was very difficult to go to villages and collect the data because it requires a huge money. So another innovation we have done is, we will send a postcard to the village and we'll ask him to write back to us the information of a village. And we have done that with a hand. Because if you print the postcard, it costs you 2 rupees 50 paisa. And if it is handwritten, it is only 50 paisa. Today, that time it was 15 paisa, just 1 5 paisa. And we have written it. Now, first we have written only in Maharashtra.
Sir, your voice
20...
is...
Hello? Voice is breaking?
No, sir, it's perfect. I think so that student having some
Hello.
problem. No,
Hello,
sir,
sir, your voice is breaking.
No, he wants to say something. What? Pranay, what? Hello? No,
So he
address the
said,
Pranay.
your voice is not clear, but I can hear you clearly.
Okay. Okay. प्रणय देखो जरा क्या होता है, हो जाएगा, आ जाएगा हमारा आवाज. So we have written handwritten postcard to the 3 opinion leaders of the villages, and they were principal, postmaster, and a sarpanch of a village. They run the village that time. Now it has changed a lot. And it was handwritten, as I have told you. And then the first letter we have written, हमें अपने गांव का सरपंच कौन है वो 7 के पोस्ट कार्ड पर लिख के भेजिएगा. Means he will not even invest that 15 paisa. We are sending a reply postcard. And 3 months we used to write that letter, and we have posted that letter. After 3 months, 20,000 letters, 3 in each village, around 6,000 odd villages. Failed miserably. We have received only 18 answers. Again we have written, आपके गांव का हाट कब लगता है 7 के पोस्ट कार्ड पर लिख के भेजिएगा. 18 again 20,000 letters, 3 months, failed miserably, no answer, only 49 answer, 49. और उसमें भी ऐसा लिखा था, who are you? आप खुद को गवर्नर समझते हो क्या? Means no answer, friends, no answer. And after that, again, that is my innovation. That's what I think. There was a Diwali. And then I've told my people, now We'll not ask anything. We'll not send the double postcard. We'll send the single postcard. And that was innovation. And in that we have written, आपको, आपके घर वालों को और आपके गांव वालों को दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. कुछ जानकारी मत भेजना भाई. And believe me, friends, we have received 850 letters from the villages saying that आपको भी दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं. तो ये हमारा इनोवेशन काम आ गया. Then we have realized it is a building relationship with the person and not asking him what you want. And it has changed a lot, friend. It has changed a lot. And after that, as I have told you, you name any organization. Now you just Google, you will find 10,000, 20,000 pages on the organization and so on and so forth. So the innovation is not something that is very big. हम उसमें अटक जाते हैं कभी कभी. तो आप प्लीज उससे बाहर आइएगा. ये मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है. Whatever idea you have, convert that. अब उसको थोड़ा सा आप एक फॉर्मुलेट कीजिएगा और देखिएगा. Definitely and definitely you will get some or the other interest in that, and that interest should be from the other side. It should benefit to somebody, whomever you want to serve. We think that everybody is going to take this. No, nobody. People don't have time. People have no time to read. People don't have time to listen. Accept the fact. This, and then use that innovation in a pilot. First, we have done it in Maharashtra, and then we have done it in 13 states of the country. And today, we have data of 49,000 villages of the country. And क्या-क्या data है, आप believe नहीं करोगे. वो small innovation से ये इतना output आ गया. Name of a village, taluka, district, population, bazaar day, gathering, name of shop, school principal, postmaster, postman, sarpanch, gram sevak, talati, how many television sets that particular village has. That time it was very important. How many telephone lines that particular village has. That time it was important. And is Doordarshan reaching there, and is satellite TV reaching there, and the availability of the mass consumable product done. And then I've tried to sell that, failed miserably, and then we become a implementing agents. So innovation हम रोज करते हैं, हमसे होता है, हम देखते भी है, आपको उसको पैकेज करना है और आगे लेके जाना है. Second important thing, innovation, in my opinion, as I've told you, I am going to share my experience. I am going to share what I have seen in the market. I'm not a professor. I'm not an educated person. Second, if you want to do innovation, always find a gap. Remember, this one word will make your life fantastic. Take my word. A gap, whatever it is. Now, I'll give you one example. Every year, only on oral care, Nitish has left. Thank you, Nitish. Every year, oral care, only on oral care advertisement, this big company spent 200 crore rupees. 200 crore rupees. But out of 100 doesn't know scientifically how many minutes you have to clean your teeth. Can I do some innovation on that? Keep your eyes and ears open and find that gap. And that gap is an innovation. So now I see this gap. Because if out of 100 doesn't know scientifically how many minutes you have to clean your teeth, how best I can pitch to do a business, to be an entrepreneur, and use that, whatever innovation. You can do anything. Now with the technology, physical, digital, whatever you want to do. But you can do that. So the gap से innovation होता है. And another two important words for innovation. One is never go by demand. Always go by need. then only your innovation will be accepted. And most of the time, we go by demand. And there is we don't see the need. For an example, today I do anything with the landline phone, nobody is going to accept that. But if I'll do something fantastic, if the regular phone can be a smartphone, everybody will buy it. So that is a need. Demand, yes, there is a demand for a mobile phone. But if we understand that need, so for innovation, these two words are very, very important in my opinion. India is changing. You have a huge opportunity, friends. So keep these two words in mind. And as I told you, my domain is rural. Rural is changing in a big way. You can do innovation in education because we are the largest elementary education system in the world. Means today, if you do any innovation in education, you can see the Baijo and all these people, why they are successful, because the importance of education has reached to practically every Indian. 15 crore students study in primary in this country. They all are your potential consumer. So think that way. Communication, second, is reaching to practically every Indian. Satellite TV is reaching to 65%. Doordarshan is reaching to 92%. And the biggest revelation which has happened in this country is DTH. हर घर के ऊपर छाता है. खाने के लिए नहीं होगा, but he'll have a छाता. Means communication. So how best I can do that? That is also a need of the hour. Where there is a gap, every household has now, मैंने जैसे कहा खाने के लिए नहीं होगा, but उसके घर के ऊपर छाता हो, because as soon as he has that dish and a color television of 5,000 rupees, he start getting 230 channels which are FTA, free to air. Means communication is reaching. There is a huge opportunity in education. There is huge opportunity in communication also. Another big thing which is happening in this country and where there is innovation is required is infrastructure. Government is going to spend in next 10 years 50 lakh crore rupees only on infrastructure. Only on infrastructure. So how best I can find that gap and a need to do my entrepreneurship? And it is possible, friend. You are educated, you are vibrant, you are exposed to the world, you have a platform, capitalize it. Capitalize it. India is vast and scattered. Now, if you take just one state of the country, thank you, Ankush, you have also left. Thank you, Ankush. If you take just one state of the country, that is Uttar Pradesh, and another state, that is Maharashtra, if you concentrate only on these two states, you can be 1/3 of the country, 1/3 of the country. And the lighter side, there are 203 countries in the world. And listen my next sentence very carefully. So there is a huge opportunities for entrepreneurship, innovation in this country. Out of these 203 countries in the world, there are only 4 countries are having more population than Uttar Pradesh. कहाँ business नहीं है, कहाँ opportunity नहीं है. Huge opportunities, friend, huge opportunity. हमें सिर्फ वो gap और need ढूंढना है. Sky is the limit to you. And there are examples, but I don't give big examples because there are only 10, 15, 20 successful examples, but there are 10 lakh, 15 lakh failure examples. I always say, understand that also. See, what was the gap there? What was the problem there? Is there a problem of a consistency? Yes, tomorrow was his day and he has stopped today. There are a lot of things in this. These are very small things. But if you address this, sky is the limit, friend. Sky is the limit. Thank you, Pranay, for lifting. Thank you. Thank you. So, friend, as I've told you, innovation is a big word, but for us and for you now, with the huge opportunity and platform, I think I'll stop here, ma'am. The students are leaving the, yes, so thank you very much. I am stopping here.
No, sir, they are not leaving. Students, what happened? Yes. Asha ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Sir left the session.
So students are there.
Yes,
नहीं, नहीं, हाँ,
one
remark
or the
किसी
other
का
student
ले
may
लेता,
be
इस line
going
में
in
हुआ।
between because maybe some network issue would have happened. Sir left the session, I think so.
अरे
हम
बाप
वहाँ
रे।
नहीं जाते।
Student, just a minute.
Sir, I can see
तो मेरी-
participants are there.
Yes, they all are there. There is just one or the other student may be leaving because of network issue. Maybe such thing would have happened.
Yes, yes. Shall I call in then?
Yes, try if possible. It's 3 o'clock because we have another session at 4 now.
Happy. Please ask some questions and make it interactive, please, please. Okay. So I have requested him to join. He is joining now.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, please, students. Students, do not left now. Okay. I don't want anyone leaving the session. Be there in the session and please do ask some questions. Okay, chalo. Sir have joined. Sir, thank you, sir. So we will start now.
Please ask the question. My request.
Okay, students, if you have
I
any
think
questions,
you
Yeah.
ask first and then let the student ask.
Sir, I would like to ask questions, sir.
Yeah, please, please, please.
Sir, which field I should choose as a means see now everyone get confused for selection of that innovation field. So if you have any experience, means you can suggest me some fields where, as you said, infrastructure. I was listening to you continuously. So in infrastructure means where should I actually go and I should do innovation, or I can say research. As
As I
you
told
said
you,
about infrastructure, now so I got confused. In infrastructure, where I will do, there is like building, I have to construct everything. उतना ही होता है. उसके अलावा और innovation क्या?
Lot of opportunity. I'll tell you.
Okay.
This is out of blue. Mean I'm giving an answer. Frankly speaking.
Yes, yes.
Now, the infrastructure is happening across the country,
Yes.
across the roads, across the up country. Correct? Now you see that there are thousands and lakhs of labor stay there. Thousands and lakhs of labor stay on site, on roadside or a dam site or whichever infrastructural activity is happening. So how best I can make some good innovation which will give them a comfort. So you actually, whenever you do innovation, you have to, there should be a story in it. For an example, if you give him a comfort in his stay, the story you can tell to the corporate, look, if he's comfortable, if he's happy, he will deliver more to you. Now, this idea we can sell it to L&T, Reliance Infrastructure, and all these big infrastructure companies in this country. This is required. Now, what you can do? Now, across the country, mosquitoes is a big problem across. And they sleep on the ground, they sleep in open. If you'll say that let them use the Odomos and go to work, that is not an answer. That is not an innovation. So we have to think from that perspective. Another example I'll give you. Now, every year we read in a paper, and there is a big media news, in Haryana and Punjab, whatever waste they have in the field, they just throw it and make it. They try to destroy it, and Delhi gets the fog. So can I collect that? And now one organization in Pune is doing that. They are collecting the waste of a farmer from their farm, and they are creating a pallets out of that and selling that to the another company. This is how the utility of your innovation, and it should connect two dots. One dot, that is you have to collect from somewhere, but there should be a business in it. Only having an innovation will not do anything. You have to have a money to do a research on a continuous basis and to run a big organization. Another example. Now the cotton is being sold. Cotton means kapas. Is being sold for 6,700 rupees per quintal. But if you make a sanitary napkin of that, the cost of that is 67,000 rupees per ton. It is not me talking about it. It is there. Another example. Once I was in Delhi taking the startup, they do innovation, and I was taking their. So one youth who has come from Japan, he was there. So when he has visited Japan, he has seen one unit in Japan which gives a fisherman where is the fish. So yes, he has seen that there. He has asked the cost of that. The cost of that was there 3.5 crore rupees. He has come back and he has created indigenous costing 37 lakh rupees for the farmer. Done. This is gap. Again and again, I'm telling you, again people are leaving. This Rane has left now. Rahul has left now. Why they are doing? Ask them to leave. Yeah, why?
Sir, sorry for this. Maybe some issue would have been there with the students.
No, they don't like this. I know that. They want all fancy speaker. I know that. They like fancy speaker. If अगर कोई फिल्म वाला यहाँ आता था ना, जो डांस करता है इधर उधर सीरियल में, everybody ना अरे भाई भारी है.
No,
This
sir,
is what it is. I know that.
There was one student who want to ask questions. Sir, Kef, you want to ask question, right? If vote okay.
Anybody. Don't force them.
No, he raised his hand, sir.
For the sake of asking.
Sir, he raised his hand. That is
question.
why I am asking him. No, I am not forcing anyone. If there are some questions, we will take and then we'll. No problem. Yes, some of them have written in chat, sir. Who inspired you for this idea of podcast, sir?
Sir, actually, that question was of mine. That who inspired you for this idea of postcard?
Oh no.
Oh, sorry, I read it wrong. I'm so sorry.
No. It was innovation. As I told you, I was not having a money. So what I thought, but I want to go to villages. So then I have what options? So I thought that go to village. You can go by bus. Instead of that, time is a problem. You cannot visit more than 1 or 2 villages in a day. The cost, stay, lodging, boarding and all that. So I thought how best I can use this, because in our country, there are 1,27,000 post offices in the villages. Means for every 5 villages, there is 1 post office in this country. India is really superb country. We don't go by that because there is a lot of negativity in this country. Now just see, every 5 village, there is 1 post office. And you just pay 50 paisa, and that postcard reaches to a person in 5,000 kilometers also, in the same cost. That's why I've used postcard. The cost was the factor in that approach. Cost was the factor. And as I told you, there was a 2 story. 1 story, if I write by hand, the person who will receive that will think that, अरे मुझे personally लिखा है. But my idea was saving money.
Okay, sir. Other than that, is there any blogs or any article you read or you look forward to?
Any article?
Yes, sir. Article or blogs?
Article of what?
So any article, for example, for rural or for women empowerment or anything regarding that. Do you read any articles or any blogs as such which inspire you?
No, no. I have inspired by one book, and that book has been called as a Traders to Industrialist. You also should read that book. Traders, basically, we in India we do trading. 80% people do the trading, but we don't do the industrialization is not happening after that. So that book gives you that idea from traders to industrialists, and it is basically written on a Marwadis, how they were the traders and become an industrialist. Really fantastic book.
So there's one more question in the chat box, that how we can get involved in organization as a student.
Yes, every year minimum 1300 to 1500 students do the intern with us, right from IM A to B to C to and all Symbiosis and all these students. There are three options to it. One, you can do it in your village, your native village. That is one. Second, you can do it where we are doing the activity. And third is a combination of both. You can do that. If you want to do the intern, and if you want to join the organization, we have two options. One, as I told you, we are creating the Encyclopedia of Rural India. You can be a part of that and credit will be given. Now you can see the information on our website of 67,000 villages. And we want to reach to 85,000 villages. We call them as a key and feeder villages. So definitely you can be a part of that. We'll be the happiest person on the earth if you'll do that.
That's really great, sir. So one more question. Here comes one more question, sir. Knowing what you know now, is there anything you would have done differently when you were starting out?
As I've told you, one thing is one is definitely postcard, but a lot of things we have done differently. One, I like given one example of mine. I was having the data of Maharashtra of 6,700 villages. And I have written to 200 companies of the country. We have this data. Do you want it? No answer. Again, written to 200 companies. No answer. Again, written to 200 companies. And then the Tata Tea had asked us, and they have asked us to give us the presentation. So that time I've done the printing on a dot matrix and I have submitted to them. The cost, I thought that time I will get a 5 lakh rupees of the data of 6,700 villages, but I got only 25,000 rupees. Just 25,000 rupees. But I've sold that because beggar is no chooser. But after 3 weeks, I have received a call from Tata Tea and I'm taking names. Ruchuta is left. Thank you, Ruchuta. After 3 weeks, I have received a call from Tata Tea saying that, Pradeep, this is a fantastic information, but what to do with this? And the first innovation, again, one more innovation, we have given them an idea of a wet sampling in villages. Aapka chai, hum gaon mein jaake logon ko pilayenge. Actually chai pilayenge. Because unless and until he will not taste it, he will not buy it. And to do that activity in only 100 villages, I got a work order of 3,17,000 rupees. Means the entire data of 6,000 villages, just 25,000 rupees. And the idea, innovation, whatever you want to say, of just 100 villages, doing a weight sampling in village, earned me 3 lakh rupees.
Hello, sir. Sir, one student is saying, I'm interested, how I can join?
Any day. We have a website, I think I have shared with ma'am. I can tell you right away, ruralrelations.com. And you can choose and pick what you want to do. Yes, ruralrelations.com.
I have just posted in the chat, yes. Yes,
Yes.
Zainab, do we have more questions? Then we'll go ahead. Zainab?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, sir, while you were starting, so you said the business even requires finance. So how did you start doing raise funding?
No, no,
Like,
no.
what
As I've told you, now my was a stone age. That's why, as I've told you, now this raising money in the angel and this investor and that, it was not that time. It was not there. And as I've told you, that 3 years was very bad. The first break I got with the Tata Tea, and after that, no look back. When you do a good work, people find you. That is your advertisement. People used to, I was having my office in my house, but I know that Procter & Gamble's vice president marketing, he has reached me. When he have heard about this weight sampling, he has come to me and he said, what best we can do together. So that was the days that time. Now we are in media. You Google us, there are 20,000 pages on us. So no issues.
Yes, sir. So as you see, these days students are working, they are studying plus starting up on their own. So any ideas or any suggestions? Because most, 50 of the, in the statistic, 50% of the students wants to give it back to the society. Some kind of this goes on to. So do you want to give some ideas or anything? How can they do it?
No. My answer to this question is very, very simple. First, you earn money. Don't think of giving back to the society. Your organization should be strong. You should have a comparatively good reserves. You should invest in innovation. You should invest in research. You should invest in manpower. You should invest in futuristic thinking. And when you reach to a level, then you think of giving back to the society. Because today, if you are giving an opportunity with your organization for 10 people, that itself is giving back to the society because you are giving them an opportunity. This is my answer. Very, very blunt.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, there's a small vote of thanks for you. Hope everyone have enjoyed the event thoroughly, and I'm
No. This is a wrong statement. Anyway, I will not buy it. Anyway, please. Nobody has enjoyed it. Anyway. But
no,
thank you
sir.
very much for giving. No, I will do it. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. Thank you so much. We'll keep in touch. Anybody, he or she wants to do anything in rural India, we are always there over and above commercial interest. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, so students will start our second session at 4 p.m. Please be there with us. Sorry to some of them want everything to be in a serious way to be conducted. We know there are some network issue on the student side. As he want everything to be perfect, it's okay, no problem. But please be there with us. We'll join again at 4 p.m. Okay? Yes, Zainab. Fine?
Yes, ma'am, fine with me.
Okay.
I'll join till
Yes, Asha, ma'am, you want to say something? You're unmuted.
No, ma'am, I just want to say the same thing. Madam, can we call some students for at least 4 o'clock session because there's
Yes,
so less
yes.
food.
Shall I stop the